Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is Shay Michelle, and I am so happy that you are joining me today. We're just gonna go straight into it. Basically, I moved to LA. I moved to Los Angeles, California for medical school, and so I'm just taking you along this journey of literally kind of like uprooting my life in Chicago to Los Angeles, because you guys know with grad school, you'll be here for a while. You really have your own apartment and all that. So I just kind of took everything I could, and it was a struggle that you will see soon. But yeah, basically I moved here, and so not only will you get like a quick kind of like my actual move here, but you'll also get a tour of my apartment, so you get to see the struggles of a medical school student and you know what that life is really looking like. But yes, just to get straight to the point, I'm so happy you guys are watching. Don't forget to comment any other ideas that you'd love to see in videos, and yeah, enjoy.
Good morning, you guys. So I am going to be on my flight in less than 24 hours, and I was up all last night, kind of like, I wasn't even packing. I was just like trying to fold my clothes, because it was just, basically my dad was like, Shannon, it's a mess. You need to fold this and like get to packing, because I haven't opened a suitcase and I'm moving my entire life. So I am about to show you guys what everything looks like now. You know, we're really going to be celebrating the small wins. Yeah, I have no other words. This will get in the suitcase, and you know, honestly, I don't know how many suitcases. I'm gonna be so upset if like I have to mail boxes, because I have a fear of mailing things, because I feel like it's all gonna just get lost in the mail. Then all of a sudden, I'm just not gonna have my clothes, and then I'm gonna be sad. So I'm gonna try to make sure that this can fit in six suitcases, 2 that are coming with me now, and then 4 that are gonna come with my parents later on. But yeah, let me show you guys my progress. But you know, don't get too happy. Everything's just folded, that's all. So we still have the stuff in the hallway. This is all the stuff I'm like giving away to people. And then here's the same stuff that was here yesterday. It just looks nicer, don't you think? It's just folded. And so again, I separated my piles, and all of this stuff has to come with me, and then everything like kind of this walkway on can come with my parents, because it's just like not necessities. And then here's stuff that I'm leaving here. I'm leaving all of this stuff in my closet. Y'all, I literally just have too much clothes. I literally just have too much stuff. I have no other words. Okay, you guys, so it is 11 o'clock the night before my flight, and I'm just about done packing. So I'm gonna show you guys like a glimpse of what everything looks like. But for the most part, everything's in its boxes. I just need to finish up a few last things to put in my like carry-on and my luggages. But yeah, I have 6 different luggages. 4 of them are gonna come with my parents in a week, and then yeah, 2 of them are coming with me today, and they're borderline 50 pounds, so we'll see how that works. But I'm excited. So many people in my family came to like say bye to me today, and I'm like, you guys, I've gone off to college. Like, this is the 5th year at this point that I've done this. So I'm kind of like, you know, what's different? But I think everyone's like, oh my gosh, she's leaving forever. And so everybody is like calling me and saying bye and stuff, and I'm like this is no different than usual. But okay, but yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys kind of how clear the room is now that I'm like done, and I will see you guys at like 3 in the morning. Okay, y'all, it is a little blurry, but if this ever wants to focus, it is literally 4:06 in the morning, and I'm about to leave. My dad is actually gonna kill me, because he then wanted to like be on our way to the airport, but I just had to do one last sweep through of my room, because it's kind of empty, and yeah, who knows, oh my gosh. And so kind of on a different note, y'all, again, it's 4 o'clock in the morning, so no one had time to do those like ding ding alarm videos acting like I woke up with the camera on me. I just simply didn't have time for that. But nevertheless, it's the same video. I'm about to be on my way to the airport, and then now we're just gonna take a quick look at my like empty room. You know, I just have an obnoxious amount of stuff, so you're probably like, this closet is full. It kind of is, but I just have way too much stuff. But you can see like now my like shelves are completely empty, and the one time my desk is clean. And then in the bathroom, oops, you can see me, but my bathroom is like empty. It's just empty, and it's very astonishing. But basically, I will see you guys in the airport. Okay, you guys, now we're actually going to do a tour of my apartment. And so this is my apartment the day I came in. So nothing is unpacked. You're seeing raw footage and exactly how it looked the moment I walked through the door. So right now we're in my amazing walk-in closet. Did y'all see how big that was? And so here is the bathroom. Very standard bathroom. I look kind of cute. And so now we're going into my apartment after me and my roommate moved in completely, unpacked. And so basically you could see I was struggling with the door. And I was like, third time's a charm when it comes to pizzazz. So here we go. Walking through the door, here is our kitchen. Standard kitchen, but I can act like this is like the home network. So we have a stove, a refrigerator, and so you see we have like a bar table area where we have the high stools. And so this is just a closet right by the side. And so my roommate puts her shoes there. My closet is huge, so I just put everything I own in there. But besides that, you can see we have, oh, we're coming back to the kitchen. Okay, back to the home network. Cabinets, stainless steel, nice lights. And so you can see the kitchen continues on to our main like family area, I guess. But I guess we're gonna stay on the kitchen. You can see we have a packed fridge that I could tell you does not look like that today. That was simply a temporary thing when everyone had money. So continuing finally onto the main room, I was like avoiding my actual roommate's room, which was on the left side, just because I don't want to invade anybody's space. But she said hi. But yeah, right next to her room is actually the laundry or the washer and dryer where we can do our laundry, which is super convenient just having it in your room because you can just wash your clothes literally whenever you feel like it. And we also have a balcony. And so I will admit, we definitely don't have the best view in our apartment complex, but a balcony is a balcony. And I see they put effort in. We have a grapevine wall. Okay, there's no grapes on it, but a grass, greenery-esque wall. So, you can work with that. It's not a problem. Okay. But yeah, you can see I've kind of walked through it, but we have our like main guest entertaining area where we have our couch, we have a TV, we have a little blanket. We're trying to be all modern with those mirrors on the wall. But finally, the great reveal of my actual bedroom. Okay, so do y'all see this? It's kind of more decorated today, but whatever. But I have my nice white sheet set comforter. I have my beautiful red rug. And then on my desk, I have a little stand for my iPad, my laptop, a window. And then on the walls, I have those stencils. I got them from Amazon. So let me know if you want the information. And then I have this little corner. And then now continue on, I have a walk-in closet. And so the walk-in closet is covered by mirrors. So that's super cool, super awesome, full-length mirrors. And then in my closet, you can now see I have my white coat. Don't forget to tune into my day in a medical school student vlog. And then, yeah, other than that, we see a full closet. And then sooner or later I'll keep it pushing to the not the kitchen, the bathroom. I'm back. But now that we're in the bathroom, now you can see I actually have things in my bathroom, but it's super spacious, and there's tons of cabinets and ways to organize. You see my nice little peaceful painting. But yeah, that is the gist of everything, and hope you enjoyed.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. And don't forget to stay tuned. I'll now be doing different vlogs of my school days and like days in the life of a first year and all of that. So of course, if you really want to see something, you want to hear about something, do not forget to subscribe. And don't forget to check out my new How to Get into Medical School series.